Hello, salam, namaste and vanakkam everyone. This is your friend Murli here and I hope all of you are doing great. I'm here to share an important initiative that Xiaomi India has undertaken recently. As a brand, we believe in the transformative power of education and skill development. We understand that empowering the youth with the right knowledge and opportunities is a key to shaping a brighter future. With the same point in mind, we are thrilled to announce our partnership with the Entrepreneurship Development Institute of India for an incredible initiative called Project Spark. Our objective is to uplift the economic prospects of 600 young individuals across top cities like Bangalore, Pune, and Mumbai. We will assist EDII in establishing the EDII Xiaomi Skillpreneurship Learning Centres known as EXSL Centres. Together with EDII, we will provide these individuals with extensive learning opportunities, including comprehensive training in fields such as mobile phone hardware, wearable device and accessories repairs, and TV repair technologies. Additionally, our skill development programs will equip them with the necessary employability skills. These EXSL centers will serve as hubs of knowledge, equipped with cutting-edge infrastructure and tailored training kits, and serve as a launchpad for individuals to gain the necessary skills. Our aim is to equip them with the latest skill sets, enhancing their employability and empowering them to become self-reliant entrepreneurs. Our partnership with EDII exemplifies Xiaomi India's unwavering commitment to promoting skill development, training, employment, and livelihood amongst youth, especially marginalized and underprivileged individuals. We firmly believe in providing equal opportunities for all and are dedicated to making a positive impact on their lives. I wish the participants the very best. Thank you.